Okay, so this is our application called Hunterizer. It's available in both Android and iOS. So it's supposed to help hunters in the United States from various states to understand what's in season today, what they can hunt and how they can hunt and when they can hunt. So it's currently available for 6 states and we will be expanding to more. Let's start with California. Let's go to seasons tab first. So here we have species categories, the same ones that the state chose. Big game, waterfowl, and those categories are different for different states. So let's go to big game. The most huntable big game is deer in California. Then you choose whether the season is open or future. There is no future here, but or past seasons. Right now I chose all seasons, so it will show us everything. Then we choose the season type. So in California there is a general, when any weapon can be used, firearms, and there is archery seasons when only a bow and arrows can be used. So I'll choose all for now. And deer has zones in California, geographical zones. So let's go to B2, for example, one of the zones. So all the seasons have passed, but you can click on the season and see the season details. So it tells you which zone, what's the dates, what is the allowed weapon, what are the shooting hours, whether there is any daily bag limit or season possession limit, and which licenses and tags are required. Okay. Similarly, we can try waterfowl, like duck. Okay, duck. Let's see only the open now seasons. Yeah, let's all weapons. And there are fewer zones than compared to the deer, but those are also zones. So let's go here. It again tells you what are the season dates, what are the rules for that specific season, that specific weapon, and that specific zone. Okay, so that was the seasons tab. Now let's go to the hunt today tab. This is pretty cool one. So if specific location is toggled off or to the left, then one second. I think there was a small mistake here, small bug. Okay, so right now the toggle is off, so it tells you everywhere in the state what is huntable today. Okay. But if you toggle the specific location on, gives you a choice whether you want to use your current location or the custom coordinates. So I'll choose my location. And now it filters the data based on my specific location. It only shows me the zones where my point is, right? So much less. For example, there is no deer anymore, right? No bear, because bear is not allowed to be hunted where I am. I'm not in that specific zone. Okay. So far we were able, the hunter was able to, in seasons, he was able to browse all the seasons for this year for any species. And here we differentiate from other apps which show only a few, like a sub-selection of species. We show all species. And in Hunt Today, user can obviously see what's huntable today. Okay, there is also upcoming tab, and this is a calendar. Green means the season is starting, red means the season is finishing, and white means there is some important calendar date. So we can see that November 16th, raccoon hunt will start in the balance of state zone. Again, it gives you the photo, gives you all the rules. Okay, so yeah, this is a pretty cool feature. It lets you not forget about the season starts and ending. Okay, finally, let's go through the settings. As I said, you can choose the state. You can choose whether you want to be notified There are no push notifications yet. It'll be in the next release most probably, but the notifications are shown as bells in the upcoming. Right? If there is a bell, that means it's in that selected time frame. It warns you that it's starting up. Again, this is also for notification. You might not be interested in many of these, so if you like keep only the big game and remove everything else, then in the upcoming you won't see bells for anything but the big game. Like elk is a big game, and so you see the bell here. Again, in the next release we will have the push notification, so it'll be much more useful. Okay, what else? So there are specific seasons. In California, it's for junior, for military, and for veteran. So if you have a junior in your family, you would just toggle this off, and then you would see it everywhere. In the upcoming, you would see junior, like here, November 22. In the hunt today, in the seasons, you would see that season. But if you don't have anybody, obviously you can toggle this off, and you wouldn't care about that. Finally, there are different weapons which are allowed to be hunted with specific seasons. General means anything can be used, including the firearms. Archery means that you have to use bow and arrows. Falconry, obviously, with the falcons. There is also muzzleloader. So you can be very flexible in what to show you in all of the three screens. If you're interested in archery, yeah, you toggle this on and you will see it there. And finally, there is a news. So we publish regular news for the specific state. For those are the news for California. If you change it to, for example, Georgia, you will obviously see the news for Georgia. Yes. Okay, that's it. Let me know what you think.